Sunday. Just waking up. Gotta go to work today, so I'm gonna get this day started. Yeah, I never took my makeup up from last night. I was tired. Let me see if I can get you guys on the tripod some type of way. Let's see. Probably take this off. All right. Ooh. Some light. Face that way for a minute. I knew I had a card that dropped. Okay. Let's see. All right, so it's my bed, and curtains back there on the side of windows, and back window, and this window, and it's all my junk in the front. That's how I cover up my dash in the morning. All right, so we're gonna go find a gas station quick so I can use the bathroom. Okay. That's how I do it. this down. Ugh. Oh. Wow. Oh. Okay. It really wasn't that cold last night. It was like 39, 40 degrees, but I woke up, well, by the time I got to the spot, it was like 2 something anyway, because I went to Walmart and I kind of stayed in Walmart kind of long, and I got a Mr. Buddy heater, but I'm taking it back. I was watching some more videos. Is that a gas? It is a gas station. Let's see if it's a gas station that I like to go to. So, yeah, I got a Mr. Buddy heater, a little buddy heater last night. But I watched some more videos and I was just like, yeah, I don't want to die. And then I kind of figured something out, which is, I don't know why I didn't figure this out before. Oops. It looked like it have a bathroom. Yep, I do have a bathroom in there. 20 gas. Do I want to get gas from here? I don't think so. And so I basically I have this converter thing in here. Oh my goodness. Throw that back there. Okay, so I have this Everstart 120 watts like thing that you plug into your cigarette lighter. But I was like, oh, you know, it only works when my car is on. But last night it got hot, and because I had the car on for heat and it got hot, so I just turned the key like that. I didn't shut the car all the way off, and I noticed that it was still working. So I said, you know what? I can just go get me a regular heater that you just plug in instead of this whole little propane thing. Because I brought the propane heater, the cylinder, and a carbon monoxide. Because I don't believe those plug-in heaters emit carbon monoxide. So I'm taking the Mr. Buddy heater and all that stuff that I bought with it back because I need to put a bra on. I'm trying to think of where my bra is. Well, I'll just put my vest on. So, yeah, I'm taking that back and I'm going to go buy a little heater that I can plug into this. But I'm going to check the wattage, to make sure that I have the right kind of wattage for this, I guess. And then I'm wondering if I'm running that, will it run my battery down in the car? Like, will it run my battery down? That's what I'm wondering. I mean, the car started fine this morning, and I did hear this kick in last night, too. I heard it kick in. I was charging my phone off of it, and I did hear a little fan kick in. I was like, what is that? So, anyway, it's a learning experience, So, I am going to take little Mr. Buddy back, carbon monoxide detector back, because this was $17. Mr. Buddy heater was $65, $64. Little propane tank was $4 to go with it. And a little lighter, 99 cents. So I'm going to take all of that back. What that old man? Oh, let me be quiet. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and take that stuff back and get me a regular size heater. A regular size plug-in heater to plug into this thing because it has, but I'm gonna check the little, wattage and stuff. This says 120 watt with the heater, I guess, on the plug-in heater, and see, because they have different sizes of these at Walmart. So I'm gonna get the corresponding size to go with the heater that I'm gonna get, because I did wake up because it got really hot, and then I shut the car off, and then I woke up and I was kind of cold, so I turned the car on for like, I don't know, 10 minutes, warmed up real quickly. And you know why I got cold? Because I had my windows cracked, thinking that I was going to, open up the Mr. Buddy heater over here and get it cracking with it. But, because you got to have like a two square inch air venting system. So I had the two front windows kind of cracked open, but I just didn't feel comfortable doing that. Like, something is just telling me that not to have this Mr. Buddy heater. I do not want to wake up dead in my car. I know that sounds weird, wake up dead, but I want to be alive. I want to live. So, even though I watched multiple videos last night with people, saying it's safe, and even Bob Wells saying it was safe, and, a guy even was testing it and didn't emit any carbon monoxide, I just don't want to take that chance. I'll be that one where the Mr. Buddy heater ain't working right and it kills me. I hate to say that, but, ooh, okay. And, I see a sign in there that I'm quite liking. And they got live bait in there. They accept food stamps in there. They got phone cards in there. I see they got a bathroom in there. So I'm about to hit all this stuff up. So, okay. So basically, yeah, y'all just see me wake up in the car and I'm about to go use the bathroom in this gas station. And then I'm going to go to Planet Fitness. I never did make it to Planet Fitness last night. I was just tired. Like, I spent a lot of time at Walmart just walking around and deciding if this is what I was going to get and just, brainstorming. And it did not even dawn on me that I could just get a plug-in heater, plug it in the car, So I want to try to do something with the window covers. These on the side windows, because like when I move around back there, they get hooked onto me somehow, and I pull them down, I pull them back up, and I just don't want to deal with that. I just want them to fit directly into the window. So I gotta figure out something. I do have to work today, so we'll see. So I'll just come back, but yeah, at the gas station, gonna go in there and use the bathroom. Bye, y'all.